Scientific name yung title,
Ay, ito,
pare.
sige, ako. Kanta ulit ako. Naisip ako.
Mamaya na lang ako pagkalabas ng boses.
Requested song galing sa bayaw ko. Kay Darrell. Sana nakikinig sila, no?
Hey, what's up, Dad?
Sa Pampanga po to.
Langit ba yan?
Narinig sila, nakikinig si Daro ngayon. There's a song from Los Lonely Boys. Matagal niya nang gustong tugtugin ng grupo to. Medyo na-late lang kami ng pag-ayos ng song. Pero ngayon ito, pagbibigyan na natin.
So, strumming.
Strumming.
No.
Strumming.
May accent sa lips yun.
Strumming.
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 Yan, then mali. Strumming.
Kapatid ni Yao. Yao. Ming.
Peter!
Ang galing ni Dami dyan, no? Ang bright mo.
Strumming.
Bariling kita sa mukha ha?
Sige, to give us their... By the way, is this a parang composition nyo ba? O
Hindi.
It's by...
Parang ano siya,
Originally by-
parang Christian song.
Okay.
Los Lonely Boys. It's titled
Fundamentals?
Title nito Heaven.
Hindi maniwala.
Somewhere in the middle sa song na yun, magpupuri ba tayo? Tataas na
Hindi ko paniwala ka ano ng ganyan eh.
Ano ba na Diablo?
Parang yung alay ko po.
Ano ba na mga demonyo? Ano ba na mga demonyo?
Sige, let's listen to it. Come on!
Nakakalakad na ako. Di naman ako makakita.
Sit ka talaga.
Magpakita kayo.
Sumuko ka na?
Okay, to give us their second song, kapatid ni Yao Ming. Strumming!
Hindi, Heaven yung title.
Heaven ba?
Heaven.
Kasi ang hilig nyo kasi magganyan eh.
Nadali tayo doon, Dre.
Joke pala yun.
Nadali tayo doon.
2-0.
Bakit naging strumming kung heaven yan?
Hindi, strumming. Ni-strum kasi nito.
Okay.
Strumming.
To give us heaven! Alright, give us heaven. I like the sound of that, pare.
Yes, to give us heaven.
To give us heaven, second song for today. Once again, Fundamentals.
Vámonos! Save me from this prison. Lord, help me get away. It's only you can save me now from this misery. It's I've been lost in my own place, and I'm getting weary. How far is heaven? It's I just need to change my ways of living. How far is heaven? The Lord, can you tell me? I've been locked up way too long in this crazy world. How far is heaven? I just keep on praying, Lord. Just keep on living. How far is heaven? Lord, can you tell me? How far is heaven? I just gotta know how far, yeah. How far is heaven? Lord, can you tell me? Estás alto cielo, échame tu rendición. I know there's a better place than this place I'm living. How far is heaven? I just got to show some faith. Just keep on living. How far is heaven? Lord, can you tell me? How far is heaven? I just gotta know how far, yeah. How far is heaven? I just gotta know how far. just gotta know how far, yeah. How far is heaven? Oh Lord, can you tell me?
Papalakpak pa lang ako eh. No, ang bilis. Nauna na tayo doon eh. Yippee! Yippee! Yun na yun! Fundamentals Band, ladies and gentlemen.
Galing nila kumanta.
Anong story niyan, Dre? What's with the song?
Para lang maiba naman. Kasi masyado.
Wala lang, kasi nung pinakinig sa akin to nung bayaw ko,
Hindi niya nagustuhan.
last year pa, 2011. Gulat ako na, ang ganda ng song eh.